In this video, I'm going to show you how to digitally sign a PDF in Adobe Reader. First, open the PDF document where you want to add your signature. After that, click on All Tools at the top left corner of your screen. You will see different tools appear. Find Fill and Sign from the list and click on it. On the left side of your screen, you will see an option to add a signature. Click on it and you will have different options. You can type your signature, draw it, or import it from an image. To digitally sign it, click on Draw. After that, you can create your signature using your mouse or touchpad. Once you have drawn your signature, click on Apply to add it to the document. If you want to save the signature for future use, make sure to check the Save Signature box. After that, you can place the signature anywhere in the document and adjust its size if needed. On the left side of your screen, you will see that your signature is now saved, and this is how you can digitally sign a PDF in Adobe Reader.